Hi, I'm Wendy from the Yarn Barn, and I'm going to show you how to do a simple decrease. That's the SSK, or the slip slip knit. So I'm going to knit a few stitches and do the SSK. So what I do is I slip the first stitch, slip the second stitch, and put the left tip of my needle into the front loops of those two slip stitches and knit those two together. Work a few stitches. When you see an SSK in a pattern, unless it says otherwise, it wants you to slip as if to knit. So that means to slip the stitch without working it. So I take my right tip needle and I put it into the next stitch as if it's a knit stitch, and I just transfer it over. That's my first slip and that's my second slip. And then I'm going to put the left tip of my needle into the front of those two slip stitches and work them together. And so I'll do a slip as if to knit, slip as if to knit, and put the left tip of my needle into the front of those two loops and knit them together. And that results in one stitch. So I've decreased by one stitch. Slip, slip, knit two together, decrease by one, and that results in a decrease that angles towards the left.